Hi everybody, welcome. It's National Popcorn Day and it's 9:30 and I've got a popcorn hunger on. So some of you have never seen me make popcorn in my steamer, so I'm going to show you how I'm doing this. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of kernels. Actually, I'll put 3 in. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to take some, you can pop it just like this. Throw it in your microwave, and every microwave is different. You got to pay attention to the popping sound, and you also have to pay attention to your nose because popcorn burns, right? So you're going to hear it popping, and then it takes a little while for those kernels to get hot, and once they get hot, they start to pop, and then you just let it go. And so in my microwave, it's anywhere on high between 4 and 5 minutes to make a batch of popcorn. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some butter, and I just like to put like a tablespoon of butter on top of the lid right here. Okay, I'm making popcorn for those of you that are just jumping on. So I've got 3 tablespoons of popcorn in here. Put the lid on. Grab my plate, because you guys know I always put the popcorn. Oh, you're going to make me trip, doggy. Now, my dog's going to go stupid because he loves popcorn, okay? So I'm putting the popcorn on the plate, and I'm using Orville Redenbacher popcorn, and I'll be putting this in the microwave. I'll be right back. He's not going anywhere, Serge. How's popcorn going? So, Pupper's going to stay around. He's not moving. Yeah, he knows I'm making popcorn. So then, what you can do, hi, Irene, how are you? Hi, Lisa, and Louise is on, and Annette. It's late for you guys. So your entertainment for tonight, right? So one of the things about Epicure Spice Blends is that if you have a pack of mac and cheese at home, pop your popcorn, split open a pack of mac and cheese, and throw it on that popcorn, and it's like OMG delicious. So I had a popcorn post earlier today, and somebody said they put nacho cheese on their popcorn. So I'm going to try nacho cheese. We've done SPG, salt, pepper, garlic on our popcorn. It's been really, really awesome. You can do urban garlic sea salt. I don't have that right now, so I'm going to put, if I wanted to, I could just put straight sea salt on. We do, I don't know if we still carry some of the popcorn spices. I'm not sure if we do or not, but there's people that put lemon dilly on. There is the caramel, like you can make caramel popcorn if you wanted to. You know what's really, really cool on popcorn? I'm going to go grab it. You know what's really delicious on popcorn? Is summer berry fruit dip. Yep. And this, remember, I'm dating myself right now. Do you remember the elephant pink popcorn? Do you remember elephant pink popcorn? Well, this reminds me of elephant pink popcorn. And so one of my girlfriends, her little girl said, I want to put summer berry on my popcorn. So she said, okay. And it turned out really, really, really good. So summer berry is delicious on popcorn as well. So it's National Popcorn Day. We've got 2 more minutes on the microwave. So these are some bowls that are going to be the Hostess special for the month of, is it February? I think they are coming out in February. So if any of you are interested in hosting a class with you, I've got some new things that I'm testing out. So if you want to reach out to me, let me, if you're curious, reach out. I'll show you what they're all about. But this has a rubber bottom on it. They're stainless steel. They come in 2 sizes. They're amazing, and they grip your countertop. So if you're curious and you want to get this for your hosting next month, let me know because it's time. So the popcorn, it's at 2 minutes, and now the popcorn's starting to pop. Are there any questions, guys? There's so many people watching tonight. I guess I should come do my lives at 9:30 at night. So I don't know if you can hear the popcorn popping. So at first when it starts to pop, it's like slowly, and then all of a sudden there's going to be a ton of vigorous popcorn sounds. And then it's going to slow right down, and you got to be careful because you don't want to burn popcorn in your steamer. It smells gross when you do that, and it's not very good. And I've burnt popcorn in my steamer several times, and it stinks up your house as well. But this is a really, you know, the packages that we buy that have the butter already poured in, that's actually really nasty stuff. So if you can do this in your microwave, and I know Louise, who's on this, watching the live right now, when we used to be able to have live cooking classes, and Louise would come to my house all the time, and she didn't have any success with popping popcorn in her microwave. I think you have to have a pretty high voltage microwave to pop your popcorn, okay? And if you just have a tiny one, it doesn't necessarily work. You can pop popcorn in any size of steamer. You can do it in the rectangular steamer. If you have the square steamer, you can do it in that one, or the big guy, or even the round one. It doesn't really matter. So we're down to 4 minutes. And normally I can get it to pop almost every single kernel. So it's at 6 seconds. So I'm just going to grab it now. So the plate gets hot, right? So here's the popcorn. Watch the steam come out. So it didn't pop everything yet. So I could probably do another minute, but there you go. There's some popcorn. The butter's melted right onto the popcorn. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to throw in, I want to do the nacho. I want to try nacho popcorn tonight. I'm going to throw that in there. I'm going to give that a stir. And because I put the butter right into the lid, it's right in there. So there you go. Some beautiful popcorn. And I could have put it another minute, guys, and I would have had more kernels pop, but it's a long period when I'm just doing a live with you guys. So I might even just put it in now and finish them up, and then I'll take a picture afterwards. So thanks for watching. That's how easy it is to make popcorn in the microwave. Take care and have a good night, guys. Love you. Bye.